I'm going to show you a sweet meme coin that could be a big mover should it do certain things. Or maybe the community might have to be a CTO. It's some high risk stuff, guys. So if you're going to play with this, put what you can afford to lose. Does it sound interesting? Like, we're dealing with nano caps. Guys, I'm talking about Suipreme. I made a video on this, a quick short, because I'm testing out my channel and I want to build my audience through the shorts, right? So I thought I'd make a quick short. I said this can 10x, my most recent one, this could 10x within 24 hours. When I shared this short, just real quick, I'll show you. Chilling in your Stella Island, It was, what was the market cap? It was a 3.1k cap. 3,000, that's the thing. And that's the beauty with these move pumps, right? The pump.funs and the move pumps, and they are high risk. So I'm basically playing in a territory right now, which no other influencer would flipping do. Maybe Superman, shout out to you, bruv. But no other bigger influencer will mess with this stuff. They won't give you guys the opportunity. Nah, they don't want to, because they don't want to deal with the riffraff. They don't want to deal with the nonsense that people, he's scamming, he's sharing coins that dump. Yes, these are high risk. These shouldn't, if they move, great, but you shouldn't expect an insane return because you just don't know what's going to happen. And I said to people, if I'm going to play with these move pump funds and pump.funs or whatever, I can't catch them at market caps when they're like 50k market cap. When you come over to move pump, let me just open up a fresh move pump. Can't get that move pump. When you come over here, right? You just see it real quick. What's this one in the most middle one? What's this? Look, it says move dang. There's like 20. Oh, that's got $28,000 in it. I don't know who's been talking about this or anything, but some of the times, look, $83,000. That's already completed. Some of them you see that have like 40,000 and 38,000. I don't deal with them because you don't know the developer's intentions. When I saw this, it was a 3k cap, which means whoever founded this project, whoever made this token, had already seen a pump and had already dumped. At least that's what I believe, because why is it 3k? He had already dumped. So it's going to have to be a CTO coin. So for me, I don't mind playing with these move pumps that have already, where the founders already dumped the tokens, and shame on him, because if you make a good opportunity coin, then, and you don't stick around and ride through it, then it's your problem. At least that way now, we're in a position where if it does move, because it's 20k, the only reason this is 20k now is because I shared it to Patreons. It's the patrons that have bought that. I trust my patrons more than I trust some random person making a coin, holding onto all the tokens, waiting for it to meet the bonding curve, skyrocketing up to like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 million, and then dumping it, rug pulling it. I ain't doing that. So this was at a 3k cap. You saw it in the thing right here, which means the developer already sold out. And it left us an opportunity to grab some of this, and this is what I thought we should do. Well, this is what I was doing. Everyone's entitled to their own opinion. So this is a good thing. You don't have to put thousands. This went up to, I said it could 10x. It went up to about 60k. It almost met the bonding curve, and then it sold off. Bitcoin started to fall down. You saw the price fall, right? 1 minute we're up, next minute we're down. People started to sell out of this as well. But again, this is high risk stuff that we're dealing with here. We're not dealing with a well-established cryptocurrency. You're not dealing with a token that's got hundreds of millions. I will talk about them as well. I will bring you all sorts. But right now, I'm seriously interested in these high-risk nano memes where I only have to put $20. And should my $20, should this 100x or 1000x, because 200 is a 10x, 2000 is a, 200 is a 10x, 2000 is a 100x, 20,000 is a 1000x. So for me to 1000x my money, or any patrons that got in on this call right here, you take the market cap. I'll show you what it looks like when it does a 1000x. That 300k, is it? Something like that. Or 3 million, which probably it could do, but I'll talk about it more. Times it by 1,000. I put $20 in, which if I lose it, fine. It's like playing the lottery. But should it go there, this goes to a 3.1 million market cap, and then the 1000x, take my $20, times it by 1,000, I make 20 grand. Hold on. Just like that. And that's all I need. And if I lose it, fine, piss me off. It's done. It is what it is. I'll go again for another low cap. One that's where I feel like the developers sold out. I think that's how I need to move on this. That's how you need to move on Move Pump. Because I can't trust them. You don't know who the hell has built the coin, what their intentions are or anything. This doesn't even have a website. But why am I sharing it then? because this brand, you can see it looks like Supreme, but they're so clever with how they've done the name, Suipreme. This could be a big mover, and all it takes is for one of you guys, because I don't know who's good at this stuff, like to just make it something like a Redbubble. Do you know what Redbubble is? You know where you can just go onto Redbubble, just flipping open Redbubble.com. You can go onto Redbubble and then you can like make yourself. You upload the image design, and all of a sudden it goes on T-shirts, cups, mugs. That's all this takes. If someone made this like into a Redbubble, this could just be off and away it goes, and that's the website. You see Suipreme, and then you click on the website, it takes you to like something like a Redbubble. There's loads of different versions of a Redbubble, and then you can just buy the product. You can buy the T-shirts, the tops, the cap. That could make it move, and that's a sick way to launch it. So I'm guessing it's going to have to be done by the community if the community want to do that. But that's just what I think it needs, something like that for it to take over. Right now, it's 46% on the bonding curve, which means once the other 50% is filled up, that's it. You cannot grab it at a 20K cap anymore. You will have to take the contract address like this, and you'll have to go over to Bluemove. I'll grab it up, Bluemove, and then you'll have to paste the contract address in over here on Bluemove, and then you buy it, right? So I just wanted to share this with you, show you the opportunity. It is very high risk. It's toxic biohazard, but I'll tell you what, the Supreme name got me hyped. And I'll tell you what, I've seen other versions of this. I've seen the actual original red version. You know, they're using Suipreme and using a red version, but I'm not feeling that. Thing is, when you got to be careful when you do things, right? Because you can get sued with these sort of things. Hold on. Like, it would never be able to blow up massive. You would never be able to put it on Twitter, because Twitter would just take it down because it looks too identical to the original brand. I've seen these. But I just don't think, look at, you notice that there's other blue ones that have come about now. There was no other blue ones before. So I'm going to drop the links to this one, which is the one that, you know, I've been sharing. It's on the 46% bonding curve. It says King right there. It's got the badge. These ones don't have a badge. I'll drop the link to this. If you want to grab some and take the risk, you're welcome to. Put what you can afford to lose. Like I said, all it takes is $20 and you're laughing. And that's from a 20K cap as well. No, that's from a 3K cap. If you don't want to miss it, come a Patreon, because, you know, they got in early. So they get to ride the massive gains. I have 7 tiers, take your pick. Click on the link in my info section. It takes you to Patreon. Choose a tier which you like. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier, the most popular one there. I'm just coming back so you can see the other tiers. And look, it's whatever you can afford, you know. If you can't afford it, well, this tier here unlocks all the posts. So you will see when I'm buying, when I'm selling, when I'm staking, when I'm having fun with these high-risk toxic nano coins, when I'm investing in decent, you know, gems like the 100 million market caps and the low caps like the 30 million. I do it all. And I think as a experienced investor in this crypto space and someone that wants to have a decent channel that, you know, you guys can thrive off, I want to show you everything. I don't want you to miss it. I want to show you everything from all angles. And right now, Sui is still hot, and this just dropped it so nice. Suipreme. Suipreme. Can this become a Suipreme blue chip? Can you imagine? Even if you can't do something like this, the red bubbles, if someone's good at making a website where you can just, you know, upload your own merchandise on it, almost like a drop shipping website, because that's what it needs. It needs, because it's a brand. It's like it's like you're seeing a meme, but it's its own brand, because it's got the Suipreme, it's got the teardrop, but it looks like it. I would rock this. If you can drop it so you can have loads of merchandise. I'm asking one of you guys, because I'm not good at websites and stuff. I know AI can just make the website quick, but you just need someone that can just make a website for this, which shows all the different tops and t-shirts and stuff, and people can buy it. They buy it, get shipped to address, done. Suipreme, watch me rock a t-shirt or a top if it does. I'd buy one for the giggles. I'm going to leave it here. If it's helpful, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Let's see what comes of this. Because there hasn't been a meme in the crypto space that becomes a brand. Like an actual physical brand that you can wear on clothes, on apparel. The Apparel brand, that's an apparel brand. Similar to Supreme, but Suipreme. You get like Pepe's and stuff, and people upload a Pepe picture and you got Pepe on your top, but it's not a brand. This can move as an apparel brand. I think I'm saying it right, apparel. I'm going to leave it here. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. I will see you in my next video. Cheers.
defeated.